Hi everyone, welcome to our final week of Introduction to Special Education. A few things to keep in mind for this week is I do not accept any late work at all for week 6. I have a lot of grading to do because you have two big assignments that you have to turn in, and I have to get my grades in. So absolutely nothing will be accepted after midnight on Saturday night. So please keep that in mind as you're going to turn in your work. Your discussion this week really is your course reflection. So everybody should be able to, as long as you have full participation, be able to get full points for that. I really do want to hear about, um, what you've learned, what was reinforced, what you learned, what you found confusing, what you think is really important, what's essential, and also if there was anything surprising, information that that you found surprising to learn about this week. Um, you're also going to be turning in your classroom observation. So you're going to do the 3 videos and give me the links in with your assignment. You have a series of questions to answer, and again, that can be a paper or you can use any of the technologies that are listed. This is worth a lot of points, so hopefully you'll be able to maximize that. I always suggest looking at the rubric before you turn in your assignment and doing some self-evaluation. And then your final assignment is your research assignment, where you were going to take one of the 13 disability categories and do some research. And that is a 200-point assignment, which again can also be done as in any of the technologies I've listed, or can be done as a paper, and that's 200 points. Again, please look at the rubric before you turn in your paper, because I'd like you to all be able to take advantage of getting as many points as you can. It's been a pleasure having all of you in class. I look forward to looking at all of your instructor course evaluations. As I said in my email, it's really important to me to get feedback from all of you. And just to let you know, I'm going to be posting a separate video going over the exam from last week. I would say half of class did extraordinarily well. A few people were sort of in the middle, and then a few people didn't do so well. So I hope that, especially if you didn't do well on the exam, you take a few minutes and you'll see in my other posts that I'll go over the exam. There was not any one question that everyone got wrong, which typically I will throw a question out if there is a trend for everyone or almost everyone to get it wrong, but there really wasn't. Everything really was available either in your text or in some of the materials that that were assigned for each module, and everything was open book. So most of you, almost everybody passed the exam. Some people did spectacular. Again, some people were in the middle, but you really did a nice job getting your thoughts together, especially for that last question. And again, I'm going to post a separate video going over the exam for anybody who would like to see that review. I'll probably do that later today. Have a great last week of class. You know how to find me if you have any questions, and it's really been a pleasure getting to know all of you a little bit more. Hopefully I'll see you in another class soon. Take care. Bye-bye.